Hey, it's Brent Conley with the Lionheart Network at eXp Realty. And today I want to talk to you about creating lasting change with call reluctance. And there's so many agents out there that have call reluctance. And I want to help you guys get over that once and for all. I know there's a lot of people that have taken some classes before and have been maybe coached or trained or at least instructed somehow, some way about overcoming their fear of the phone, and it just doesn't stick. And so hopefully I'll give you some tips and maybe some tricks in order to create that lasting change that you guys really deserve to have in your business. Because I know as soon as you get over the fear of the phone, your business is going to skyrocket. It really will. And so the first thing that you've got to figure out is how to get leverage on yourself in order to make that change. Like, if I believe that I can sell real estate at a high level, and I believe that I'm the best real estate agent for the job of selling all of those homes, and if I believe that nobody else can do it better than I can, right? Then calling somebody, whether you know them or whether you don't know them, should be an easier task with that built-in belief, right? And so you've got to get yourself into that zone, into that mood, into that belief system every single day before you get on the phone. And when you do that, it's going to help tremendously. But let's talk about getting leverage, right? And that leverage is, if I don't do this, then what's the negative piece that's going to be associated with not doing that? So if I didn't make the phone calls today, I can't pay my mortgage. If I don't make the phone calls today, they're going to list the house with the real estate agent that sucks. If I don't make these phone calls today, my car's going to get repossessed. Think about how to get leverage on yourself and to help force you to start building this belief system that you're calling people to serve them. And when you're calling to serve, it's an entirely different conversation. It's a different feeling in order to help somebody versus just trying to make money. There's so many agents out there just trying to make money. We all know who they are, but there's a lot of agents out there with a heart that are like, man, I know I can do a better job. And it's that belief that's going to help you through making those phone calls. Now, I understand that there's a fear of judgment out there, a tremendous fear of judgment, of being afraid that others are judging you for making those phone calls. But that's why we have leverage. The leverage piece is, if I don't do this, somebody else can get that business. That's not going to take care of the client like you would take care of the client. And that's vitally important, 100%. So we also have to interrupt that pattern, right? The pattern of like, man, I don't really want to make those phone calls today, right? I've done it. I know you guys have done this. And so we've got to interrupt that pattern. And how do we interrupt that pattern? Well, we've got to create a new and an empowering pattern that's reinforced with positivity, and it's reinforced consistently over the course of some time, days in. So let's say 21 days. Over the course of 21 days, that this new reinforcement's coming out every single day. That's how we can get some change to really happen in our business, to get over the call reluctance. And so if we're getting leverage on ourselves, we're interrupting that pattern. So we're going to take action by interrupting that pattern. And we're going to create a new empowering pattern that's going to fulfill us, because we know that we're the right agent to help those clients. And then I think we're going to create some lasting change if we do this over the course of 21 days. Okay, 21 days of prospecting. Let's not even commit to doing 6 months of prospecting. Let's commit to doing just 21 days. How's that sound? All right, I hope this helps you. Again, this is Brent Conley, Lionheart Network at eXp Realty. Talk to you guys soon.